If you are wondering if we have an Astrophoto mode available on the Samsung Galaxy S26, then the answer is yes, we do. And in order to use it and find it actually, first we need to go to the camera, and then you want to switch to the More section, and then in here we need to install Expert RAW. It is not installed by default, so if you tap on here you will open the Samsung Galaxy Store and you will need to install the additional app. Once you get the app, you should be able to open the app, and then here we're gonna tap on this bottle icon in order to use this button with the stars that we have pretty much in the middle. This allows you to activate the astrophoto. We can adjust the capture time, of course, if you want to get as much details as possible. First of all, you should choose a longer capture time, and secondly, use something like a tripod or something to stabilize the phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.